taking the bus down from Große Scheidegg to get back to Grindelwald and up to the Männlichen ridge again. Every time the bus goes around a blind corner, it makes a very loud horn. Oh, people in the road. Yeah, lots of switchbacks. We stopped. Aha, there's a car down there. They backed up. That horn works.
Ja. Toegestemd voor handel, meerwaarts, de gauw moet het even oplossen. Oké, goed.
As I walk back down to my hotel tonight for the second to my last night here, I've come to a couple of conclusions about the region. One is Grindelwald is far more for the tourist who's looking to have an adventure with all of the exciting rides they've put up on the mountain by the first gondola. And over here in Lauterbrunnen and in the valley down here, it's much more laid back. Wengen even more so, with tourists who come through going up to the top of the glaciers and back. So I'm very glad I'm here in Wengen. Views are fabulous, the area is quiet, and the street that goes down to my hotel is deserted. Even Saturday in Wengen, it wasn't too bad, except around, of course, the rail station where everybody's coming and going on trains. So that's my take. I think when I come back in 5 years, I will definitely stay in Wengen again.